Would you like to have 3 great stocks with good fundamental toppings and with a tint of correction? We are happily going to serve it to you in this exciting video. This is Ruchika and welcome back to FinScalla. Let's go! The first stock on our list has corrected more than 55% from its all-time high. The operations of the company are segregated into 4 main segments, namely yarn, terry towels, paper and chemicals. ये one of the largest towel manufacturers है of the world and today the group exports to over 75 countries and is continuously striving to uphold its position as one of the largest yarn producers in India. तो पहले हम देखेंगे कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स. इसका मार्केट कैप है अराउंड 17,000 करोड़. कंपनी का लास्ट 5 इयर्स का CAGR है 20%. अगर हम क्वार्टर 3 रिजल्ट्स देखें तो कंपनी का सेल्स बढ़ा है by 14% on quarter basis and reduced by 17% on year basis. Profit has increased by 287% on quarter basis and declined 31.7% on year basis. अगर हम कंपनी के फाइनेंशियल रेशियोज देखें तो प्राइस टू बुक वैल्यू है 4.29 एंड प्राइस टू अर्निंग्स है 19.78 where the sector PE is 13. कंपनी के शेयर ने लास्ट 1 ईयर में कोई रिटर्न नहीं दिया है. Stock 45% से गिरा है due to poor quarters and high valuations. But as we saw, quarter 3 was better, so we expect a bounce back in the stock with an upside of around 30%. Stock is moving in the range of 30 to 42 rupees since last 8 months. But if you see a strong trendline breakout, you can enter in this stock. You might have already guessed this stock. Yes, it's right. Now let's move on to our next stock. ये मेरा one of the favorite stocks है. ये एक monopoly business है in the beverage industry. They are associated with PepsiCo since 1990s and is the key player in the beverage industry and one of the largest franchisees of PepsiCo in the world. This company accounts for 85% of PepsiCo's business in India. This company is a part of RJ Group, which is the largest franchisee for Pizza Hut, KFC, Creambell and Costa Coffee in India. The company's operations are spread across 6 countries: India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Morocco, Zambia and Zimbabwe. In 2019, PepsiCo extended the bottling appointment and trademark license agreement from 2022 to 2039. लेकिन हम आपको यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा अलर्ट करना चाहेंगे. WHO ने एक गाइडलाइन इशू की है जिसमें उन्होंने ये कहा है कि ये जो शुगर स्वीटेड बेवरेजेस है, दैट इज कार्बोनेटेड बेवरेजेस, इन पे टैक्सेशन 10% से बढ़ा देना चाहिए so that the demand reduces. इस वजह से इनकी डिमांड 16% से घट सकती है. हेल्थ कंसर्न की वजह से WHO ने ये कहा. Because of this news, we saw a market correction of 20% in the stock since last 1.5 months. Let's see the company fundamentals. Last 5 years CAGR is 42%, which is exceptional. That is the reason this company is top performer amongst its peers, Orient Beverages and Velox Industries. Company's PE ratio is 109 and PB ratio is 18. Quarter 2 was weak, but still company stock has given 74% rally. Company is showing good signs of profitability. If you see the ROE, which is 17.83% and net profit margin is 7.85%. We see an upside of 33% in the stock once it gives a good bounce from its current support. इस monopoly business को तो आपने guess कर ही लिया होगा. Yes, it's Varun Beverages. The next stock on our list is currently 30% down from its all-time high. Don't worry, इस बार आपको guess नहीं करना है, हम आपको नाम बता देंगे. The name is Coforge. It is an IT services company providing end-to-end software solutions and services. It is among the top 20 Indian software exporters. It has prominent global customers such as British Airways, the ING Group, SEI Investments, etc. And over the years, Coforge has set up its subsidiaries in the US, Singapore, Australia, UK, Germany and Thailand, mainly to market and mobilize projects for the software division. As of 31st March 2022, Coforge is serving 60 plus Forbes Global 1000 clients and the top 5 contributed around 30% of the aggregate revenue. अब हम देखेंगे कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स. 5 year CAGR is 20%. कंपनी का PE रेशियो है 40, whereas sector PE is around 30 and PB ratio is 9. अगर हम quarter 3 results की बात करें तो we can see 5% growth in revenue on quarter and 25% growth on year basis. Profit has increased by 13.4% on quarter basis and 24.5% on year. Company is showing good signs of profitability if you see the ROE, which is 25% and net profit margin is 10%. After the super correction in Coforge, we see an upside of 17 to 20% in the stock once it gives a good bounce. Already we see bulls entering the stock. किसी भी स्टॉक में एंटर करने से पहले आपको ओवरऑल मार्केट पोजीशन एंड खुद का रिस्क एपेटाइट पता होना बहुत जरूरी है. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, आपको आपका टारगेट एंड स्टॉप लॉस दोनों भी सेट करना है। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है तो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल FinScalla।